One giant leap.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
And the whole world was watching. On July 20th, 1969, astronaut Neil Armstrong was the first human to walk on the moon, leaping into a new era for space exploration. The moonwalk not only rocked our world, but was proof that the U.S. had won the race for space. The race began back in 1957. At that time, the U.S. and the Soviet Union were enemies. When the Soviets launched the first satellite, Sputnik, suddenly our arch-enemies were literally hanging overhead, and our space program had barely lifted off, so we geared up.
Here we go now.
When the Soviets launched dogs, we launched a chimp. When they sent a man into orbit once around the world, we sent a man into orbit 3 times around.
Very impressive.
When the Soviets pulled off the first spacewalk, we were right behind. President Kennedy intensified the space race when he promised that the U.S. would go to the moon, and we did just that. First, American astronauts made the first manned orbit of the moon. Then we touched down and left behind American footprints and flag, and the race for space was over. The big winner was more than the U.S. It was people everywhere, who now had a new view of the planet we share.